Hi everyone. I just want to make a blog about my business. So I started making a clip from my daughter in a small part of or corner of my house. And I just want to express my creativity doing small stuff. It's not just about hair clips, but I have things in my mind that I want to share, all handmade. Um, and also, I do not have much funds, but it doesn't stop me sharing what I love to do. I want to create new stuff that makes something unique out of the ordinary. And from this thought, I created fabric bows, applique clips, some cute hair clips made of felt, and I'm ready to share it to you guys. And I hope you follow me as I start my business, which is still a big step for me with all this technology around me. But thank you very much for those who follow me already. I don't know even how to upload in YouTube. I'm learning all this stuff, but thank you for following me, and I hope you will enjoy and visit my shop to see all things I've done. All of these are originally designed by me, and I hope you support me. Thank you so much for the first people who followed me. I really appreciate it, and it made me going. Thank you so much.